Hello everyone, Deb here. Welcome or welcome back if you've been here before, and I so appreciate you and I hope you're having a good start to your new year 2025. Wow. Today is January 5th, and this is the first week of 52 weeks of Colorspiration. This is a collab that was the brainchild of left-handed crafter who is Brandy. Hi, Brandy. So every week we're going to color either stamped images out of any coloring book, um, or out of these two books, which we're both going to use for a same page color on the last Sunday of each month. So January 26th, the video, we will both be doing the same page. One sec. But this week we could use anything, and I could have used one of my other coloring books. This week, I chose one of the pages out of Animals and Flowers that we didn't pick to do our collab together. So here it is. This is my little goat. Why did I choose a goat? Because goats represent Capricorns, and today, January 5th, is my birthday. Yoo! There were a few years when I said, I'm not selling my birthday anymore because it's just another day after New Year's. I'm a year older, blah, blah, blah. But now I'm grateful to have the opportunity to be a year older. So thank you, powers that be. So this is my little goat. I used Altenew alcohol markers. If anybody wants to know the colors I used by number, they're written on here. You can pause your screen if you can read my sloppy writing. I also did use Stampin' Up's Ivory for the horns and one of their skin tones called SU 500. I don't even know if they sell them anymore, but maybe they do. I know they sell the markers, I just don't know what colors they still have. So I use like a peachy color for the cheeks, two shades of pink, a bright orange, which I carried down into here as well, and then I used a paler orange and another sort of medium orange and a yellow. And I like how that came out. I did a little shading on here just around the edges of that top one to make it seem like it popped off more. I did not do that on these. Now these could have been daisies, but I made them, what is the pink one? Is that echinacea, I think, or there's another name for it? I can't remember. I used only two shades of green just to get a little bit of shading in there, not much. I made this easy. This is supposed to be fun. And these are for relaxation, the other book says, but this is such a cute book, guys. And so I did my little Capricorn goat this time for the very first Sunday in January. We are posting at 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, and I believe that's 8 a.m. Pacific. If you'd like to play along, just color a page and share it with us using the hashtag 52 weeks of colorspiration, and you can pop in and out, but we'll be posting every week. I will not always be using these two books, this one and the Relaxation, but I will be using them for sure on the last Sunday of the month because that is the day that we do the same page together. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what Brandy did over on Left Handed Crafter. Her link is down below. Please be sure to also follow her, and it wouldn't hurt if you're not subscribed to either of us, to please do to help our channels. And we'll bring you a new coloring page, and sometimes it might be a color along, and most times it'll probably be a project share, a coloring page share, and we'll possibly sometimes have follow-on videos that show the coloring, but not always. So trying to keep it shorter and sweeter so that we know you're busy, right? Because we're busy too. All right, everyone, take care. Have a wonderful Sunday and a wonderful week ahead. And if you're in a cold climate like me, stay warm because it's really bitter here. Okay, bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.